Well, guys, welcome back to the channel, Lower Michigan Hiking and Camping Adventure. We're getting close to another milestone, trying to reach 600 subscribers. I'm thinking about doing this here giveaway, or no, I am doing this giveaway. So from January 20th to February 20th, if you would like to be in this contest for this free pocket knife, be a subscriber and share this video. So let's take a look at this here pocket knife. We have a brand new pocket knife. A little tricky getting out here, ain't it? It's got like a little lock on it. Oh, there you go. Pretty good little pocket knife. So if you'd like to be a part of this contest, please subscribe and share this video. Preferably share this video on your community tab if possible. If not possible, share over on Facebook or Instagram. Also drop a comment saying shared and subscribe. FYI, I am limiting this drawing only to the US. And the only reason why I'm doing that is because of customs outside the US. Postal Service will not guarantee that something like this won't get stopped in custom and it may not reach you. And it's very, very expensive to send this outside the US and with no guarantee that it'll make it through customs. So with that being said, only US. And also I purchased this with my own money too. So it's a nice little knife. Look at that. Beautiful. Guys, also, if you like giveaways, my good friend, the Elmer's Adventurers, is doing a giveaway right now, and I'll link that in the description. He's going to be giving away a Sunblazer headlamp. And this is a nice little headlamp that's LED, waterproof, ultralight, and has 5 modes: white light, max, high, mid, low strobe. 5 modes: green or white, red light, high, low, high, SOS strobe, built-in 700 milliamp polymer battery, run time up to 200 hours, battery power indicator. That's going to be a nice giveaway, guys. I'm going to drop the link in the description. Go check out his video, show him some love, and subscribe to his channel. Guys, thanks for watching from all your friends at Lower Michigan Hiking and Camping Adventures.